Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the pure Havy Dolla mixed zari Banarasi Zari border saree, priced at just 1499 rupees. This beautiful saree is perfect for any occasion. The Dolla mixed zari add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the overall look. The intricate Banarasi zari border enhances the beauty of the saree. With its vibrant color and exude design, it is sure to make you stand out. The fabric is of high quality, ensuring comfort and durability. The saree comes with a matching blouse piece which completes the look. Whether you are attending a wedding, a party, and traditional event, this saree is a must-have in your wardrobe. So don't miss out on this amazing deal. Purchase the pure Havy Dolla silk zari Banarasi sari border for only 1499. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion and beauty updates. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.